COD Warzone 2.0 is finally here, allowing players to hop onto the brand new Al Mazrah map. Its first-person shooter gameplay functions similarly to its Battle Royale predecessor. However, some players are reporting an issue where Warzone 2.0 keeps uninstalling itself and forces players to reinstall it primarily on PS5. But before we get to that, if this video ends up helping you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel as we're trying to reach 1000 subscribers before the end of 2022. A bug seems to prevent the game from working, thus prompting reinstalls. Even when someone actually starts the downloading process, it says you're missing one or more Warzone DLC packs. Much to players' dismay, the game just doesn't appear in the installed section even after getting all the DLC packs. We have come across a workaround that can help fix the bug. Our player was able to resolve it with a simple restart of the game. Unfortunately, Infinity Ward has not yet acknowledged the issue. We'll update our article about this issue as we get more and more new information. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can find the article link in the description. Also, don't forget to like the video and join us here for more of our content. This was it for today's video. Thank you for watching.